So I'm here in Vernon, BC. This is officially the weirdest sky I think I've ever seen. It's not even 7 o'clock in the evening and it's getting really dark. Everything's got this orange cast. Even the pavement, you might be able to see the sidewalks are starting to turn orange. Just all around, it's like street lights are starting to turn on. You can see down this street here, street lights are turning on. Air quality is terrible out here, so I'm not outside for very long because the air is just kind of like stinging my eyes and my throat. But yeah, just a very, very weird sky. Quite apocalyptic sky here in Vernon, BC. I've never seen anything like this. It's terrifying. The sun has just been blotted out by the smoke. 4 in the afternoon and dark as night. You could turn your high beams on out here. It's that dark. Unbelievable. Like, this is actually terrifying.